I do not think you should date a person with kids unless the baby mother is married or dead. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I know. Y'all, it's so fucking hot. I have to take I'm holding my phone right now because I had to come get gas. Like I'm sweating from every angle imaginable. It's the hottest day of the earth. It's hot as shit outside.
15 minutes later.
What the y'all, what the freak? Let me show y'all something. I've already been eating this damn food because I thought I was recording the whole freaking time. Oh my gosh. Honestly, I had to stop smoking because what the freak just freaking happened here? Welcome back, burpees. Shit, I've been talking for like 10 minutes. Y'all, I did the Saweetie Meal and I'm almost finished. It came with a Big Mac, chicken nuggets, french fries, and a drink. Y'all, when I tell y'all I'm so upset right now, I have to literally do my whole spill all over again. So I've been on my diet and I broke it for Saweetie. And it's basically a Big Mac and fucking chicken nuggets and some fucking sweet and sour sauce. That's what I'm eating.
Yeah.
Excuse me. Excuse me. But I ain't tripping because I love a Big Mac. And, you know, the chicken nuggets is cool, but Big Mac, that's my favorite. First of all, let me show you how much of the Big Mac I've already ate. I've already ate so... Y'all. I can't believe I wasn't recording that whole time. I'm doing laundry right now. I said, ooh, let me go get my food. Let me record while I'm sitting here in front of my in front of the laundromat, waiting for my clothes to get ready. Have my whole introduction and everything. And it wasn't even freaking recording. This is my life. I cannot make it up. Well, back to what I was saying. I have officially been working out for, today's my 12th day. 12 days straight, and I've been eating, come on now. And I've been eating well for 12 days, minus this day right here. So 11. I'm still gonna work out today, even though I ate this. Excuse me. Well, guys, let's talk then, you know? There's a lot of stuff I be wanting to talk about sometimes, and then I just be like, you know what? Maybe I don't want to hear it. I'm just enjoying this because I broke my diet for this and it's so fucking good. Like, I've been doing so good, but this shit was amazing. Oh, amazing. Excuse me. It's a new damn COVID variant. It's just, y'all, are y'all getting vaccinated? I'm not getting vaccinated. I'm not. I'm sorry. Oh, look. If you want to get vaccinated, do your thing. Do your thing. But don't get mad because I don't want to get vaccinated. You know what I'm saying? I don't understand that. I don't understand why people can't just have their own opinions no more. Like, you have to... Am I sweating in here? Woo. Y'all gotta let people do what they want to do. Like, for real. You can't control nobody.
Control.
You can't. No matter how much you want to. You cannot. Y'all using this vaccine like it's like religion. Like, oh, if you don't believe this, you're gonna go to hell. Oh my God, I'm sorry. Guys, just get your fucking vaccine and push it. Keep it pushing. Excuse me. I am cooking myself in this car right now, if y'all can't tell. Yo. I ain't gonna lie though. I just crushed this Saweetie Meal. Like, for real. A Big Mac and a 4-piece with a french fry. And it was good. This was like a bomb-ass cheat day. I wish I had more. That's so good. The sweet sauce is just sweet and sour sauce. It's good though. Wow. I'm done. Like, I got done in 7 minutes. Because I've been eating for the last 10, like, I don't know what to tell y'all. Be happy. It's hard. Trust me, I know. You know what's hard? Relationships. Bro. Relationships are hard. Relationships are hard. If you are not fully ready to be committed to somebody, don't fucking do it. Don't you fucking do it. That's what we were supposed to be talking about. We were supposed to be talking about, can you date somebody with kids? And me personally, coming from that experience, me personally, I know it's hard as shit. I do not think you should date a person with kids unless the baby mother is married or dead. Ooh. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I know. Hear me out. Every woman is not sane as every woman. Okay, like, just because she might seem cool as a friend, an associate, a fuck buddy, a sister, a cousin, a aunt, a firefighter, a doctor, a dentist. You get what I'm saying? Just because she's cool like that, you don't know how she is after she has become a mother. Okay? And everybody's mind is not right. Okay? So this is why I say, personally, I don't think that people with kids, excuse me, should be mad at people that do not have kids, that don't want to take them serious, excuse me, because they have kids. I get it. I'm with that shit completely, because listen, if I ain't have no kids, I wouldn't fuck with nobody with kids. I don't want to be a stepmother, a stepson, a stepdaughter, a stepgrandmother. I don't want to be a stepping stool. I don't want to be shit. I want to be shaynichelleeats by myself. Okay? Okay. Now, I'm not going on y'all hoes. Sorry, I gotta stop talking to y'all women like that, because you know some of y'all get offended, but this is how I talk. I'm a little ratchet. I am not going on all y'all. Some of y'all is cool, like me. To me personally, I'm one of the coolest baby mothers you could ever have. Me, of course, I think because that comes with how I was raised, maybe, and because I'm a Scorpio. So I see things differently. I can handle shit, you know what I'm saying? And I do things differently. So it's a lot of things that I can just get with. Every bitch ain't like me though. Trust me, I know for a fact. I've seen it firsthand. Like, don't date a motherfucking person that has kids, and especially if you don't have kids. Don't do it. And then when you do have kids, you gotta make sure you can mix this kid and that kid together. Because what if this kid and that kid don't blend? Not physically, but literally they just can't get right. That is such a problem with you and the person you want to be with. Come on, somebody. My bad. But no, for real. So we were having that conversation, and I'm opposed to it. I personally believe that, of course, it is your own it's your own free will what you want to do and who you want to do it with. But me giving my position, because I have 17,000 kids, you know what I'm saying? And I know a lot of y'all ain't thick skinned like me, mother. You know what I'm saying? And that's not even a good thing that I'm so thick skinned. It's, you know, it's layers to this shit. I'm a whole fucking onion over here. But a lot of bitches ain't built for tough. You're not F-150 in out here, okay? It's just facts. And that's not to go on y'all. Some of y'all cool. Some of y'all crazy, batshit crazy. Some of y'all got like a little bit of crazy, a little bit of chill. You know what I'm saying? But I don't put it all on the women though, because men play such a big role in baby mother lives. And I know some of y'all don't like the word baby mother, the mother of the child, the person I had a baby with. What the fuck cares? You're the mother of the baby. The baby mother. I know it be the baby fathers or the niggas you fucking with that's feeding y'all that bullshit. Telling you one thing and doing another. Yeah, I don't live with my baby mother. She just be over here. That whole name is on the lease. You're there every night. I know, I get it, and that's why that's another reason why I say don't date no motherfucking body with kids unless the baby mother is married or dead. And I'm trying to tell y'all, because it is just very hard, especially if a woman is not mature enough, her mental is not right, you know, that she's not in love with the baby father no more, that she doesn't use the child as the pawn, that she's, you know, mature enough to handle whatever comes her way, that the nigga's not beating her shit, that the nigga is not, you know, it's a lot. You know, my head, when it came to those type of situations, I was ready for whatever. You know what I'm saying? Like, all right, we want to do it like this, we got to do it like this. But again, I'm a different type of breed, and I don't fault women or men that still be in love with their baby mothers or baby fathers. But I do fault you after a while if it's like the baby mother moved on, the baby father moved on, you know, someone's in a whole new anything. Y'all gotta, you know, keep it pushing at that point, because now you're just being a stalker. Nobody likes a stalker, you know? Yeah. So again, to date a man or woman with kids and you don't have no kids, I say no. To date a woman or man with kids and you have kids, I say no. No, I don't say no, but I say you gotta see. You know what I'm saying? You gotta see if it works, and sometimes it doesn't. And that's just my personal opinion, you know?
Yeah.
Excuse me. we're gonna start talking about things again. You know, I remember that was a good part of my segments. We used to talk about shit. So we're gonna talk about it. And this segment was talked about. And if you want a rebuttal, let me know. Let's have a combo. I would love to have a conversation back and forth with you know, anybody. So yeah, thanks for tuning into my channel. You know, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel where we talk about some things. Thank you so much. Peace out. Oh my gosh. Look at the sweat on my mustache. It's coming. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I cannot breathe. I can't believe how hot it is. We gonna get into some things. We gonna get into some things. We gonna get into some things. Sorry, my boobs are itching and it's the sweat. Oh my! It's her poo underneath my titties. I can't motherfucking breathe, okay? I ate the Saweetie Meal. It was good. You know, I talked to you about some things. So if you would like, please subscribe to my channel, please.